metallurgical process involved in three important process. Okay, the first one is concentration of ores. The second one is isolation of metals from concentrated ore. It involves in two steps, that is conversion to oxides and reduction of oxide to the metal. Okay, the third one is refining. Okay, already the first one, concentration of ore, already we done in the previous class, that is concentrated different technical methods used to concentrate the ore, because the ores contains earth impurities. Okay, so today's session we are going to see isolation of metals from concentrated ore. So this process, it involves in two steps. One is conversion to oxide. Okay, the first step, calcination. Calcination means that is the heating of ore in the presence of in the absence of air. Okay, that is limited supply of air. Okay, the ore is converted into its oxide. Okay, that is conversion of ore into its oxide. Calcinations. Define the term calcinations. Calcination means the concentrated ore is heated in the absence of air. Okay, that is limited supply of air. Okay, suppose that time the ore, it contains any water of hydration, it is present, so easily that water or the moisture, it escapes. Suppose that ore, it contains any organic matter present. Organic matter means some volatile substance, it gets easily expelled. Okay, for example, this calcination is suitable for carbonate ores, because of easily the presence of carbonate ore, the carbon dioxide gas is expelled. Okay, for example, lead carbonate treated with limited supply of air, it gets converted to lead oxide, remaining the CO3, that is CO2. Okay, and CaCO3, calcium carbonate, it gives calcium oxide plus CO2 gas. Okay, zinc carbonate, it gets converted to zinc oxide plus CO2. Okay, so Fe2O3.3H2O, that is limonite. Okay, this ore presence of water molecule, hydrated ferric oxides. Okay, so easily this water molecule expels. So it gets converted to Fe2O3 plus 3H2O. So this is what your calcination. Okay, first define the term, and in which the calcination is suitable for only carbonate ores, and easily all the volatile substance, it gets expelled, and in case the water molecule present, that also easily it gets evaporated. So this is for calcination. Okay, the next process is roasting. So roasting, the term we know that the ore is heating with excess of air. Okay, before the one is limited supply of air, here the excess of air. Okay, so the conversion of sulfide ore into their oxides. So this roasting is suitable for only sulfide ore. Okay, before that, this calcination, it is suitable for carbonate ores. Here the roasting, it is suitable for sulfide ores. Okay, so the concentrate, define the term roasting. The concentrated ore is heated with excess amount of excess amount of oxygen, and below its melting point. This is a key point. Okay, so below its melting point. So at that time, what happen? All the impurities, the presence of arsenic, it gets arsenic oxide, and sulfur, it gets sulfur dioxides and sulfur trioxides. Phosphorus, it gets phosphorus pentoxides and phosphorus trioxides. Okay, so like that the volatiles, all the oxides are removed. Okay, so for example, lead galena, BBS means galena. Okay, so oxidized, react with excess amount of oxygen, because roasting, it happening with excess amount of oxygen. So it gets converted to lead oxide plus sulfur dioxide. And zinc sulfide, it react with excess amount of oxygen, gets converted to zinc oxide and sulfur dioxide, and cuprous sulfide, that also cuprous oxide and sulfur dioxide. Okay, so this all the reactions is not balanced, so we have to balance for that one. Here this is oxygen. First here only this reactant side only 2 oxygen only present, but in the product side here 2 oxygen plus here 1 oxygen, 3 oxygens present. Okay, so first of all we have to balance for this oxygen. Okay, so let me put here 2 and here also 2. Okay, now you count that here 2 2s are 4 oxygen plus here 2 oxygen, 4 plus 2 6 oxygen, here 2 oxygen is present, so this is 3 2s are 6. Now the oxygen is balanced for both reactant side as well as the product side, but here the product side lead is 2 moles present, here we can put 2. Okay, so like that here also 2 SO2, 2 ZNO and 3 O2 and 2 ZNS. Here also first we can balance for oxygen, after that this metal. Okay, so this is the roasting. Okay, so the next method is reduction of oxide to the metal. Reduction means in a suitable reducing agent the metal oxide it gets metal. Okay, that is called reduction. This reduction method we have to explain by the concept of thermodynamical related to Ellingham diagram. Okay,